Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will explain how to install OpenSlide on Windows 10 from the given link. There is OpenSlideLink.org downloads. You can download the OpenSlide file from here, and at the same time you need to install pip OpenSlide. So I will show you step by step. Here is some instruction you need to follow, and same thing I will do in the rest of the video. So let's start. So first of all, we need to open the OpenSlide that I already given in the link. Okay, first one, and you need to download from here window binaries. Any of these you can choose. In my case, I will choose first one. Okay, like this. I already downloaded it, so no need to download again. Okay, here I have already downloaded, and I put this in the C. Okay, you also need to download here and just cut from here and paste in the C. User here, and then Anaconda 3. Go to Anaconda 3. If you have environment, then go to environment. In my case, it's in the base. There is no environment. Okay, so if you create virtual environment, then you need to go environment and then lib. In my case, there is no environment, so this is base, and here is lib and side package. Here is OpenSlide. Before coming to here, you need to install OpenSlide Python. Okay, requirement already satisfied. So in my case, it is already installed. Okay, for newcomers or for new users, you need to install first this one, then do this. Side package. Here you can see OpenSlide. When you install from here, it comes here. We will check here OpenSlide. Yeah, this one. This is the OpenSlide window. There's that zip file. We already downloaded from here, and this come in the form of zip, and we unzip it. Okay, and just copy this path, copy, and here, come here, low level. Okay, you can check here something you need to change. Just copy this one from here to here. It is easy. Okay, and remove your one. Just copy this and paste, and then rest of the things are same. Okay, copy paste. I will give this on my blog as well as in the description, so you can easily copy. A second thing is that bin folder you can put here till bin. In my case, it is different. It will be different because the path is different from you, so you need to change this path and copy paste from here to here again. Okay, so here, just change the path, then save it, Control S, then just close it. Okay, all things you need to close. If you want to remove this, you can just delete it. Okay, close. Everything is closed. Here, get a notebook. Okay, it is coming like this, and yeah, okay. So I want to just open any file, or you can make new from here. Okay, here we can write import yeah, it is working. So you can do any slides, you can use OpenSlide, you can load or any operation you can perform by using OpenSlide. So thanks for this, and please subscribe.